Cookies are almost done, baby. What are you doing? Hmm? Oh. Oh, wow. Cool. Cookies. Let's check our cookies. Ooh, they look good. Ooh, they're too hot. We gotta let them cool off for a little bit. Okay, let's put the other ones in. In the hot oven. Okay. Yay! Cookies! Okay. Okay, you're helping Mommy really good. You're such a good helper. Thank you.
No.
Thank you. Say yay for cookies!